y'all. Bridget Bartlett here. I am the local business marketing training and support specialist for Builderall. Welcome, welcome, welcome to our training today. We are continuing our series on creating a template shop. There's huge income potential in creating templates and selling them to either local business clients as a web agency or just as a business. You could completely create an entire business based on selling templates, okay? You can also add additional things in here, but for this purpose, we're just going to talk about the templates right now. So the past few days or this week, we've created our home page here. We've actually created 3 thank you pages with the templates. And if you want to check this out, we'll just review here. We actually created what I'm saying generic template page. It just has an intro video about Builderall and then all of the steps that you need to take to transfer your domain or to connect your domain, to create an email list. And I even embedded the group in here. If you think about the psychology of this, it is, local business owners who want a template, or maybe other web agencies who are promoting local business. And so it just makes sense to add this group as a way of providing value and, giving support. Because if you're brand new to Builderall, it can be very overwhelming with 40 plus tools. So it's really important to have that support. I mean, that's why we are all here, right? Hey, Jay. Yay, Jay, I got your name right. You are so welcome for this training. Okay. So, so far we've built our home page. We have put our items, we've built the thank you pages, put our items in the super checkout, and we have created our e-commerce store. Okay. So this is what our homepage looks like. We just pulled in this banner here, and I talked yesterday. You could just say choose your hosting plan and then provide the free plan or the premium plan. One thing that I did for my own website is I actually gave a promo code. So if people wanted to, I'll just bring this up because I'm a visual person. So I like to see. It's better to, oops, type that wrong. It's better to see an example than just for me to explain it to you. So what I've done here is I've just created a promo for my store because, as business owners, a great way to get leads for your business is to have an offer. So my offer is if you upgrade to premium plan on my website, you get a promo code for 100% off of everything in my template shop. Not only does that make sense as an affiliate to provide all the resources, let me go to my template shop, provide all the resources for your team, but also it just makes sense that, if I have other Builderall people or I'm promoting to local business, that they would maybe want to purchase some of these items. So I'm just going to, sort through here just so you can kind of see how I set mine up and give you some ideas. So this is just the basic layout. I'm still working on, the design and all of those things. So there are 2 things that you need to have when you create an e-commerce store. You need to have the place that you're going to sell the items on, which is what we're looking at here. This is the template shop. And then you also need the account. Okay. So I'm going to actually show you how to do that today. We're going to go back to the Cheetah Builder, and we first want to create our promo code because that's what I'm going to use to check out to get the account link. Hey, Greg. Hey, Anesh. Welcome to the training. So let's go to Super Checkout because that's where we're going to access our e-commerce or our promo code. And then we just want to go to coupons. So we're going to name this coupon. We're going to say 100% off. And let's go ahead and add that coupon. So we need a coupon name, and I'm so sorry, but this kind of sometimes confuses me as well. I never really know if I need to put the promo code here or the name of the coupon. So I wish this was more clear, so please forgive me if I have to get this right. So we're just going to say trial promo. That's going to be the promo code. Okay, so we're going to actually make this a percentage, and we're going to make this 100% off. And then we can actually choose the date, but you could choose a fixed price if you wanted to say, hey, save $10 on whatever. It's very customizable. So whatever business purpose you have, you can definitely create your own, offers and promo codes. And that's what's super cool about this. But for this purpose, I just want to do the 100% off. Okay. So let's go ahead and just make it valid today, and then we'll create our coupon. All right, so now this is going to be, and I got it right, yay. So this is what's going to be our promo code, okay? So when we enter this in our store, then we're going to be able to save 100%. Now, there's one thing though, after you have created your promo code, you need to go back to your products and make sure, if you click edit in this product here, you'll see that it asks you, let's go to the next screen. It asks you select the coupon. Oops, maybe I need to refresh. You need to select the coupon that's going to be available for this offer. Okay, I don't know why that's not showing up. Let me try to refresh again. Go back to my coupons. Ah, it disappeared. Okay, interesting. Okay, so let's just go back here and let's just call this, we're going to recreate this trial promo and add coupon, and we're going to say trial promo, and we'll say 100% off, and then create coupon. Oh, I think I had to click confirm list creation. That's what it was. Okay, so now we have our promo code. So this is the promo code, okay? So we're just going to copy that. Now let's go back to our products. And hey, Frankie. And then we're going to go to edit, and we're going to go next. And then here, there we go. Now we can select the coupon. Now you may, have multiple different types of products in your store. So if I had maybe PLR products and I wanted to have a different promo code for PLR products, then I could choose from my list here. So it's really cool that we have the ability to customize that as well. But it's also important to know that you do need to, when creating your products, you need to choose which coupons are going to be available for that specific product. Okay, so let's go ahead and save. And let me just go through the rest of these, and let's choose that coupon for that as well. So we're just going to say all of our templates are going to have this trial promo coupon. So we'll go to edit, and we'll go to next, and then we'll choose that as well and save. Okay, so now we have all of our coupons here. They're all connected to our items. So let's go back to our template shop. Let me refresh. Actually, let me go ahead and republish, because anytime you do any kind of editing to these options here on the left-hand side in the editor, you definitely want to republish to make sure that all of your changes are active, okay? So we're going to go back. Let's go ahead and refresh a couple times just to make sure that it is live. And then we're going to go through the purchase. So let's say we're going to purchase this. And you see here, we've already entered some information. Let's go ahead and add that to our cart. And let's go ahead and finish and pay. It says that we're going to purchase two because I already had one added to my cart. And we'll just finish and pay. Now you see, since we created our account yesterday, it's picking that up. Okay, so we don't have to do that again. And let's go ahead and I want to uncheck this because I don't want... Now I don't see, maybe I need to refresh again. Sorry, guys. This is why I always tell people when you get started in here, just click around, because sometimes, it's not, you're not going to break anything, okay? But my problem is that I don't see why it's not registering my coupon. Let's see. Let's go back to our cart, because usually when you go to check out, it asks you here about your promo code, and I'm just wondering if maybe because it's logging me in there. Now this is going to drive me insane, y'all. We'll try this. Okay. For some reason, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, and it's not showing up here unless maybe I need to republish again or something. Let me go to e-commerce. Maybe I need to choose the coupons here. Let me just make sure. Certainly don't want to you guys to try this on your own and then get stuck. I don't see where I need to choose coupons here either. Okay, so maybe I can't show you that. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Let me go back here. All right, let me refresh this. Refresh this. It may be because my store is already live and I need to like do the, clear the caches and all of that stuff for my, or maybe I need to just delete this and go back and add this to my cart. Add to cart and finish and pay. Okay, I'm not really sure. Usually it comes up here and it says to add the promo code. I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong. Let me maybe, oh yeah, so I can't move past this, guys. I'm so sorry. But anyway, in the checkout process, that's what you would have here is where you need to enter a promo code. So I definitely need to figure that out. And I will show you this on Monday. I'm going to figure it out and I will show you on Monday. And then we'll talk more about the whole getting your account. Because if you go here, on my website and you go to account, this is what you need to have because they need to be able to log in and or create an account like in Super Checkout and then log back in. And so what's cool about it is that after you've created this account, now every time you purchase something, you can log into your account and then be able to retrieve all of those items. So that's really important. And I'm so sorry I can't show you that today. I will figure that out. But something else that I wanted to show you guys is how I did, and let me go back here. Somebody asked yesterday when we were creating this section here how I had the opt-in page, and I just used this. I literally copied and pasted, and the opt-in page, that we use for the what I copied and pasted anyway, it was the lawn care. And so I think it's so important when you're trying to sell a template, you definitely want to show them the live version. Okay, so I want to show them every page in this funnel. So if you click there, you go to the opt-in page and you see that it is branded to me. And then you click here and you go to the email confirmation page. Again, it's branded to me. You don't see the Builderall branding anywhere. Sorry. I always forget to silence my phone, and then I have squirrels running in my backyard that sets off the motion detector. Okay, so, and then you have the thank you page. Okay, so this also helps to show them like, here's what you're going to get, and here's the process of a lead magnet or a funnel. Okay, so this is really easy to do. All you need to do is get the funnel that you want to use. So let's go to photographer. And let's actually go, I'm always telling you step 3, that's where your funnel is going to be. So if we click here, you see that we go immediately. It wants to transfer the funnel. So we'll click confirm. And then we will go to site dashboard. And let me refresh. So now we have the 3 pages of our funnel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Now, we would customize this and everything, of course, because right now the way that it is, if you click here to go to the website, it's Builderall branding, it has Builderall down here. So I just definitely recommend, I love to customize all of my funnels and everything because again, if you are an agency or you are just building your own business, you want to brand your business. It's not always about Builderall, even though on the back end, we're going to talk about Builderall because they're going to get the funnel. So we need to explain to them what do you actually do with it. But what we need to do here is simply just get the link. So once you customize this, and I do have training in the unit section to help you figure out how to customize and everything, all you simply want to do is just get the links. Let's click here. Let's copy this link and go back to our e-commerce store. So we're going to enter the super checkout, and we're going to go to my e-commerce, and let's go to products. And then we want to go to the photographer funnel. And I actually did not paste that same thing here. So let me just copy all this. And this is what I did, you guys. Once I got the information that I wanted in the layout and the format and everything, all I did was just copy, highlight and copy this. And then I went and I pasted on each individual thing. So let me do that here. So I'm just going to paste this, and then you would just customize. Obviously, if this is not for a dentist, you would change the name of that and then also the links. Let's go do the same thing for the photographer. So we're just going to say photographer and erase dentist. And I really, even throughout this, the wording here, I tried to keep this kind of generic as well. So I didn't want to say, you know, here's your lead magnet for a photographer business, because I'm doing so much copying and pasting, which is really a very helpful thing when you're creating, you know, 100 or 200 or 300 templates. But here, all you need to do is just change the link, okay? So what we want to do is go back to our home page here, and we're just going to copy, and then go back to our e-commerce store, and then click edit, and then we just want to click Control V and save. And we're going to do that for each of the pages so that we can show them as a demo. So I'm just going to go to this next page here, and we're going to go back to our page, and we're going to edit the email confirmation and Control V to paste. And we have one more that we want to do, and we're just going to copy and go back, and then we're going to edit this and save. And we'll save again. So now if we go back to our store, let's go back to our template shop, whichever window it was, and we refresh. If we go to the photographer funnel, you see now we have this information here, and if you click the opt-in, then it goes to our photographer funnel, okay? So that is super, super simple, but also it just looks better. It just looks more professional. You know, the more reasons that you can give someone to buy something, that's definitely the purpose. You know, you want to show them what are you going to get for whatever you're charging them. If you guys have any questions. I'm dog sitting right now, so if you can hear this dog freaking out at my office door, she hears me talking and she's going nuts. So this is all I'm going to show you guys today. I'm so sorry that I could not get that promo code to work, but to show you the actual account, to get the link to the account, you also have to go through the checkout process. And so I'm going to show you that on Monday, I promise. And I'm going to figure out what in the world I'm doing wrong, which is so frustrating because I wanted to really get you guys going on this so that you had the whole training all week and you could spend the weekend building, because that's what I definitely love to do. So if you guys don't have any questions, I will go ahead and call this a day. But tomorrow is live Q&A, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So do be here, or I guess I could say be there or be square. And until then, go build it with Builderall. Bye. Have a good one.